Hello friends, welcome back to Superlight Foods. Today I am here to share an interesting recipe called banana bread. It's very easy to make, so let's get started. First, in a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Next, in a separate bowl, add half cup butter and 3/4 cup sugar and beat well till the sugar dissolves. Then add 2 eggs and beat well. Meantime, smash 3 medium-sized bananas and keep aside and mix this mixture well. And then add the smashed bananas and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and mix them well. Now add little by little this mixture to the flour mixture and mix well. Add little by little this mixture to check the consistency. Now pour this banana bread mixture into a placed parchment paper tray. You can add some choco chips if you need. I have some, so I added. It's an optional ingredient, so if you need you can add. While you decorate, preheat the oven for 5 minutes. Now bake it in 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. After being baked, check it with a toothpick whether it's sticky or not. If it isn't sticky, then your banana bread is ready. Enjoy this banana bread recipe with your family in tea time or in the morning breakfast. Now take it out from the tray and cut it into layers. This banana bread looks perfect and tempting. It's so soft and spongy. It came out well. Have a try. Your kids gonna love this recipe. Thank you for watching. For more easy, simple and unique recipes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and make sure that you like, share and comment for more videos.